Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we are going to talk about JIPMER, Jawaharlal Inst of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, Puducherry. After watching this video, you will understand everything you need to know if you are eyeing for JIPMER during this year MBBS counseling. This video is part of MBBS Admission Counseling video course for government colleges. You can watch the complete course on video course section of MBBSCouncil Android app. If you have not installed the app, you can install it from Google Play Store. Install link is also given in the description below. Until 2019, there was a separate entrance exam and counseling for JIPMER. Starting from 2020, MBBS admission counseling for JIPMER as well as AIIMS are conducted by Medical Counselling Committee, which also conducts the All India quota counseling. There are two campuses for JIPMER, one at Puducherry and another one at Karaikal. Even though Puducherry campus was established during 1956, the Karaikal campus, which has 62 MBBS seats, was started during 2016 only. JIPMER Puducherry campus has 200 MBBS seat capacity. Tuition fees is one of the lowest, which is Rs 12,260 per year. Apart from tuition fees, you need to pay Rs 500 per month as hostel fees and approximately 3,000 per month for mess charges. There are few NRI quota seats in JIPMER, for which the tuition fees is $75,000 for the full course. Like AIIMS, JIPMER also gives stipend of Rs 23,500 per month. Similarly, for PG students, the whole course is considered as internship and they are paid up to 80,000 per month as stipend. After completing the MBBS course from JIPMER, there is no compulsory rural service obligation like that of state government and medical colleges. 70% of MBBS seats in JIPMER are allotted under open quota and 30% are allotted as state quota for Puducherry domicile candidates. Puducherry state quota seats in JIPMER are also allotted by Medical Counselling Committee. Based on the reservation category, the seats are divided. Economically weaker section gets 10% of the seats. Other backward class gets 27% of the seats, SC gets 15% and ST gets 7.5% reservation. The remaining 40.5% is available as unreserved category. Based on the general category reservation percentage, the total general seats in JIPMER is 52. For Puducherry state students, there are 19 unreserved seats. For other reservation categories, the number of seats for open quota and Puducherry state quota are listed here. Similarly, MBBS seats for JIPMER Karaikal campus is shown here, along with split up between open quota and Puducherry seats. During the counseling time, seat matrix will be published by Medical Counselling Committee. It will list the number of seats under each reservation category for JIPMER Puducherry and Karaikal. Internal means Puducherry state internal quota. Puducherry resident certificate for 5 years is essential to claim Puducherry internal quota seats. Even if parents stayed in Puducherry for 5 years, candidate becomes eligible for internal state quota. Let's look at open quota cutoff for JIPMER last year. The first round cutoff was All India rank 214 for reservation category. The third round cutoff was 231. Even though there were only 52 MBBS seats in unreserved category, it took till All India rank 231 to fill these 52 seats. This means many students prefer to study in their state top colleges or nearby AIIMS compared to JIPMER. Similarly, for Karaikal campus, the cutoff is given as KL. Cutoff for Karaikal campus is All India rank 20,155 during stay round. You can see there is a big difference in cutoff between Puducherry campus and Karaikal campus. Many parents who are from northern states of India think that both campuses are adjacent as Puducherry is a small union territory. Karaikal campus is 150 kilometers away from the Puducherry campus. Also, Karaikal campus is started just few years back. So the infrastructure is really poor even now. Karaikal is a small village, which makes it difficult for the hospital to get adequate patients. In fact, one student from North who scored All India rank 2432 wanted to join JIPMER Karaikal, and later after visiting the campus, she took MBBS seat in Indira Gandhi Medical College in Shimla. For internal state quota, the cutoff is low. For unreserved, the All India rank cutoff was 26,107. For Karaikal campus, it was close to 62,036. Summary of cutoff during 2021 admission season is given here for your reference. If your All India rank is less than 200, then you have chance to get JIPMER Puducherry campus through open quota. For NRI quota, your All India rank should be less than 8,000. OPQ denotes open quota for which students from any Indian state are eligible. And SQ denotes internal state quota for which only Puducherry domicile students are eligible. PY denotes Puducherry campus and KL denotes Karaikal campus. As I said earlier, JIPMER College's MBBS admission counselling for both open quota and Puducherry state quota will be conducted by Medical Counselling Committee. Hope you remember the topper strategy for choice filling described in AIIMS video. After AIIMS Delhi, the next choice would be JIPMER Puducherry, followed by Delhi University colleges. After that, you can add older AIIMS colleges, followed by JIPMER Karaikal campus. You need to add JIPMER Karaikal campus only after adding top medical colleges in your state and new AIIMS colleges. After that, you can add rest of the state medical colleges. This brings us to the end of this video. If you have any doubts regarding NEET counselling, contact MBBS admission counselor by clicking the WhatsApp button on the home screen of MBBSCouncil app. Our counselors will answer them when they find free time. See you in the next video.